Alright, I'm going to show you how to make your SMART goal very quickly here in this tutorial. The first thing you need to do is center on your screen and pick the category of your SMART goal. Remember, you have physical, spiritual, intellectual, social, and emotional. I'll do physical. I want to make sure that is centered and that it is bolded and underlined. Next thing you want to decide is your aim and your actual SMART goal. These two headings will also be bolded and underlined. My aim that I'm going to use for an example is going to be I want to lose weight. Okay, this is a general statement. It's not specific, it's not measurable, it's attainable, but it's not a SMART goal. It's just a very general statement. My SMART goal, on the other hand, will be specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. So for my SMART goal, I will say I want to lose 10 pounds by May 1st, 2015. This goal is clearly specific. We're talking about losing 10 pounds. It's measurable because either you lost 10 pounds or you didn't, and it's time-bound. You need to have those components for it to be a SMART goal. Now when we're done with that, we're ready to make our flow map. To make your flow map, some of you make it in Google Draw, but I've found that it might be easier to make your flow map with an add-on called Lucidchart Diagrams. To get this add-on into your Google Docs, all you have to do is click Add-ons and then go to Get Add-ons, and the add-ons will just show up in this menu, and you simply click the add-on you want. I already have Lucidchart, that's why it shows this check mark here, but you would just click free and you'd get it, and that's how you would make this. So once you have this add-on, you would go and you want to insert a diagram. The Lucidchart diagrams are going to pop up in the right hand side of your screen, and I want to make a new diagram. So I want to click that, and I want to click Edit. Once I'm in the Lucidchart program, making my flow map is as easy as clicking and dragging from the side menu. So my first box is always going to be where I'm at currently. So I weigh 165 pounds, and it is, and then you'll put the date as well. Now once I have my date, that box is complete, I'm simply going to insert a line and drag it all the way across, and it should do this automatically. And it gives you the second box automatically, and you'll just put your end result, which is 10 pounds less. Or we might say I will weigh . The last thing you need to complete your chart is you need to draw 3 steps on how you're going to reach your goal. So you're going to insert 3 boxes, 1, 2, and 3. You can move them however you would want to move them, just to make them even. Now I'm going to connect them with a line. To connect them with a line, you actually need to go to Edit and then click draw line. And you can draw a line from this spot to your actual box. And the last thing I'm going to do is record my 3 steps. So I'm going to run every day for 10 minutes. Quit eating fast food and buy a pedometer. Each day. And buy a pedometer. Now when you're finished with this, you can even change the colors if you want it. You just select your box and you go to your fill and say I want to make this a different color, this light blue here. Just select it there. You can make this light blue as well. And we're done. We're ready to save and close. Once you have saved and closed your diagram, you are free to insert your diagram into your Google Doc. So you select it, you click Insert, and it inserted right into the document. And now you have 2 options on how to upload this into your portfolio. You can make the rest of your goals. Remember, you'll have 5 total SMART goals. You could make the rest of them and insert this as a Google Doc into your portfolio, or you can use the snipping tool and take a picture of this and insert it into your portfolio. I will show you how to do each of those steps right now. If you wish to insert the Google Doc into your portfolio, this is how you do that. You want to name your document, then you want to go to your portfolio, you'll go to Standards. Under Standards, hopefully you should have your SMART goal page already created. Remember, everything needs date, description, rationale, and work sample, so automatically put that in. You'll go into the Edit section, and then underneath you'll go Insert, you go across, Insert into Drive, and then you will select Document. From there, you will simply select your document, which mine is right here, SMART Goals. I'll click Select. You always want to get rid of the border and the title. Click Save. I'm going to center it on my page. I'm going to click Save. And voila, there it is. Now that it's on my page as an artifact, I need to go back and make sure my privacy settings are set to public. So for this, you go back to your drive, click Share. Oh, and set it's only to me. And you go down to Advanced, and then you go here, click Change, and bring it all the way up to Public. Click Save, and you are good to go. The second way you can insert your diagram is by using the snipping tool. For this, you'll click on the snipping tool, and you will simply trace around your SMART goal. There you go. And we'll try 2 things. First, once you've traced your SMART goal, it'll show up here. And then the next step you want to do is you want to save it. Or maybe I can just email it straight away. No, so you're going to want to save it. And I'll just save it to my pictures as physical SMART goal. Save. Once you've saved your picture, you can do 2 things. You can add it from Add Files. You go to where you can find the file, you'll click Open, and then it should automatically upload. There it is. Or what you can do, and this should work, is you go to Insert, and there's really two options here. You could email the picture to yourself and save it to your drive and then insert it as an image from your drive. Or it might also work if you've saved the image to your computer to just insert the image. This is the image I want to insert. Here we go. You can make it small, you can make it medium, you can make it large, you can make it really, really large. We'll just keep it the original size. That'll be good. Then we'll click Save. And you can do this for all 5 of your SMART goals if you wish to use the snipping tool to snip them out of your document rather than insert the entire Google Docs. So again, your 2 options are to do them all in the Google Doc and insert the Google Doc, or to use the snipping tool and cut around them and insert each one as an image. That's how simple it is to do your SMART goals.